If your domain is registered with another company and you want to add it to HostMaria hosting, the first thing you need to do is change your domain's nameservers. To do this, locate the nameserver names in your control panel. Log into the platform where your domain is registered. For example, in my case, it's SiteGround. Navigate to the page containing your domain, open the settings, click the Manage Nameservers link, and then copy your HostMaria's nameserver details. Companies often say it can take up to 72 hours for your nameservers to get updated, but usually, it's a matter of a couple of hours. Warning: the change to your nameservers will not be initiated until you add your domain to HostMaria. Please follow the next step for instructions on how to do this. So, the first step is done. After that, navigate to your HostMaria control panel, click the domains icon, enter your domain name, and hit the Add Domain button. By default, your domain will be assigned to point to the public HTML root directory. If this is your only domain, it's okay to leave it as is. This means that when you create your website, it will be located in the public HTML folder. If it's an additional domain, you will usually need to point it to a different location. For instance, in my case, it's the danceball.uk folder. That's it, your domain is added to the HostMaria hosting. Looking ahead, if you plan to use the application installer from your control panel, avoid creating this folder manually in your file manager, as it will be created automatically by the installer. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you need additional support, please open a support ticket at HostMaria support ticketing system. Please do not use emails and do not reply on email notifications, as we can't guarantee a timely answer on these. The fastest and most efficient way to get support is using HostMaria ticketing system. Thank you.